Have you ever skipped breakfast because you were in a hurry, only to find yourself starving an hour later and reaching for unhealthy snacks? The truth is, the first meal of the day can either make weight loss much easier or much harder. But eating healthy in the morning doesn't have to mean spending an hour in the kitchen or settling for bland food. In today's video, I'm sharing 5 quick, delicious vegetarian breakfasts that are all low in calories, incredibly satisfying, and perfect for anyone trying to lose weight. And make sure you stay until the end, because the last recipe is one of the easiest breakfasts you'll ever make. It takes just a few minutes, tastes amazing, and keeps you full for hours. Let's get started. Breakfast 1. Greek yogurt, berry protein bowl. Let's start with one of the fastest breakfasts you can make. If mornings are busy, this recipe can be ready before your coffee finishes brewing. You'll need plain non-fat Greek yogurt, fresh strawberries, blueberries, chia seeds, a handful of sliced almonds, a drizzle of honey, optional. Simply add the yogurt to a bowl, top it with the berries, sprinkle over the chia seeds and almonds, and finish with a small drizzle of honey if you'd like a little sweetness. That's it. This breakfast contains around 280 calories, depending on the toppings you choose. But don't let the low-calorie count fool you. Greek yogurt is naturally rich in protein, while chia seeds provide fiber that helps slow digestion. The berries add natural sweetness, vitamins, and antioxidants without loading your breakfast with sugar. Instead of feeling hungry before lunch, you'll stay satisfied for much longer. And the best part? You don't even need to cook. Sometimes the healthiest breakfasts are also the simplest. Breakfast 2. Veggie egg white omelet. Now let's move on to something warm and incredibly filling. Many people think omelets have to be loaded with cheese to taste good. Not at all. You'll need egg whites, spinach, diced tomatoes, mushrooms, onions, black pepper, garlic powder, a little olive oil spray. Cook the vegetables for just a few minutes until they're tender. Pour in the egg whites, let everything cook until set, then fold the omelet in half. The result is a colorful breakfast that's packed with protein while staying under 250 calories. Protein is one of the best nutrients for controlling hunger. It helps reduce cravings later in the day and supports muscle maintenance while you're losing weight. Adding vegetables also increases the volume of your meal without adding many calories. That means a bigger plate, more satisfaction, and fewer unnecessary snacks later. Breakfast 3. Overnight oats with apple and cinnamon. If you're not a morning person, this recipe might become your favorite. Why? Because you prepare everything the night before. In the morning, breakfast is already waiting. You'll need rolled oats, unsweetened, almond milk, diced apple cinnamon, chia seeds, vanilla extract. Mix everything together in a jar or container. Refrigerate overnight. The oats absorb the liquid, while the flavors blend together into a creamy, naturally sweet breakfast. One serving contains about 310 calories. Oats are an excellent source of soluble fiber, which helps keep you feeling full and supports healthy digestion. Combined with apples and chia seeds, this breakfast delivers slow, steady energy instead of the blood sugar spikes that often happen after sugary cereals. If you're enjoying these recipes so far, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Every week I share simple recipes that make healthy eating easier and more enjoyable. Now let's continue with another delicious breakfast. Breakfast 4. Avocado cottage cheese toast. Healthy fats can absolutely fit into a weight loss diet. The key is portion control. For this breakfast, you'll need 1 slice of whole grain, bread, low-fat cottage, cheese, avocado, cherry tomatoes, black pepper, chili flakes, optional. Toast the bread. Spread the cottage cheese evenly across the slice. Top with sliced avocado and cherry tomatoes. Finish with black pepper and a few chili flakes if you enjoy a little heat. This breakfast comes in at roughly 320 calories. The combination of protein from the cottage cheese and healthy fats from the avocado creates a meal that's both creamy and satisfying. Whole grain bread also provides fiber, helping you stay energized throughout the morning. This is proof that healthy eating doesn't have to be boring or restrictive. In fact, meals like this often feel much more satisfying than sugary pastries that leave you hungry again an hour later. Before I reveal today's final breakfast, I want to quickly share something that could make healthy eating even easier. If you're looking for more recipes like these, I created a complete 30-day meal plan packed with simple breakfasts, lunches, dinners, snacks, and easy-to-follow recipes. You'll find the link to the ebook in the description and the pinned comment below. I also regularly publish new healthy recipes, nutrition tips, meal prep ideas, and weight loss articles on my blog, so be sure to check that out as well. Now, let's finish with my favorite recipe of today's list. Breakfast 5, Spinach Banana Green Smoothie. Don't let the green color fool you. This smoothie is naturally sweet, refreshing, and surprisingly filling. You'll need fresh spinach, half a frozen banana, unsweetened almond milk, plain Greek yogurt, chia seeds, ice cubes. Blend everything until smooth. That's all. In less than 5 minutes, you'll have a creamy breakfast with approximately 290 calories. The spinach adds vitamins and minerals without changing the flavor very much. The Greek yogurt provides protein. The chia seeds increase fiber. And the banana gives natural sweetness without relying on refined sugar. This is one of those breakfasts that's perfect when you're running late, but still want something nutritious that keeps you satisfied. It's quick, portable, and incredibly refreshing. There you have it. 5 quick, healthy, and low-calorie vegetarian breakfasts that prove losing weight doesn't mean giving up delicious food. Remember, long-term success isn't about following extreme diets. It's about building simple habits you can actually stick with every single day. Now I'd love to hear from you. Which of these 5 breakfasts are you most excited to try first? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our new healthy recipes. And if you'd like even more meal ideas, be sure to check out the links in the description for my 30-day meal plan ebook and my healthy recipe blog. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.